Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0747 indicates an issue with the AT automatic transmission clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, specifically that it is stuck in the on position. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the hydraulic pressure within the transmission system, which impacts how smoothly the vehicle shifts gears. The AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A is located within the transmission assembly, usually positioned towards the front of the unit. Its primary role is to manage the engagement and disengagement of the clutches within the transmission, thereby affecting the shifting performance. When this solenoid is malfunctioning due to being stuck, it can lead to erratic shifting, excessive wear, and potential damage to the transmission system. Proper troubleshooting is critical to ensure that the root cause is addressed effectively. The error code P0747 signifies that AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A is malfunctioning by being stuck in the on position. This valve plays a crucial role in managing hydraulic pressure, which is essential for the smooth operation of the vehicle's transmission system. Specifically, it is located inside the transmission assembly, often accessible from the front side of the unit. By maintaining proper hydraulic pressure, the solenoid ensures that the clutches engage and disengage appropriately during gear shifts. A malfunctioning solenoid can trigger a range of issues, including harsh shifting or slipping, which can lead to serious complications if not addressed promptly. The solenoid's failure could result from electrical issues, fluid contamination, or mechanical wear, each needing careful diagnosis to rectify the problem efficiently. Several factors can lead to the P0747 DTC. One significant cause is fluid contamination, which affects the solenoid's ability to function correctly. Contaminants in the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, can result from wear and tear within the transmission. Mechanical wear is another potential cause. Over time, components within the transmission, including the solenoid, can wear down, compromising their function. An electrical issue may also be at play, such as wiring problems that affect the solenoid's electrical signals. Moreover, if there is insufficient ATF due to leaks or other issues, this may hinder the solenoid's performance. Understanding these causes is vital for effectively diagnosing and addressing the P0747 code. The symptoms associated with the DTC P0747 are primarily linked to transmission functionality. Drivers may notice harsh or jerky gear shifts, which indicate that the solenoid may not be regulating pressure correctly. Irregular transmission performance is another key symptom. This could manifest as unexpected shifts or difficulty when changing gears. Some drivers might also experience slipping during shifts, leading to a lack of power transfer from the engine to the wheels. As these symptoms become more pronounced, they can make driving increasingly difficult and may indicate deeper issues within the transmission. Consequently, addressing the warning indicated by the P0747 code should be a priority to prevent further damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0747 is to check the transmission fluid condition. Begin by warming up the engine until the radiator fan engages, indicating it has reached normal operating temperature. After this, ensuring that the transmission is filled to the proper level is crucial, as low fluid levels can cause solenoid issues. During this check, inspect the ATF strainer by draining the fluid through it to see if there's any metal debris or excessive clutch material present. If you find metal debris or clutch material, it indicates internal wear or damage, prompting the need to replace the transmission altogether. If the strainer is clear, proceed to replace the ATF before moving on to the next troubleshooting step. In this step, The goal is to verify whether the issue persists after clearing the DTC. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position and utilize the HDS Honda Diagnostic System to clear the DTC. Once cleared, take the vehicle for a test drive with the shift lever in D, drive, allowing the transmission to shift through all 5 gears. While driving, closely monitor the OBD, onboard diagnostics status, for P0747 in the DTC's menu using the HDS. If the HDS indicates failed, the failure has been duplicated, and you should proceed to the next step. If it shows passed, the system may be functioning normally for the moment. In case the result is not completed, a retest drive may be needed under the right conditions. Step 3 involves checking the operation of AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. First, clear the DTC again using the HDS. Then, access the miscellaneous test menu and select the option for clutch pressure control solenoid valve A to perform a functional test. The HDS will provide data on whether the solenoid is operating normally. If the result indicates normal, there may be intermittent issues, and the system might appear to function correctly at that moment. However, if the HDS indicates failure, follow the instructions provided on the HDS screen for further diagnosis. If it has pinpointed a specific cause, replace the designated part and ensure to perform repair verification afterwards to confirm the issue has been resolved. In this 4th step, you'll need to inspect AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A directly. Check for any visual signs of damage or debris that may affect its operation. If the solenoid valve A appears to work properly, you must then look into the hydraulic system associated with shift valves B and E, as issues in this area could be affecting the solenoid's performance. If you find any faults in the wiring or the valve itself is non-functional, it will require replacement. Post any replacements, it's essential to perform repair verification to ensure that the issue is resolved effectively. This includes checking the hydraulic connections to ensure they are secure and functioning as intended. The final repair verification step is crucial to ensure that the problem originally indicated by DTC P0747 has been resolved. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position and use the HDS to clear the DTC once more. After clearing the code, conduct a test drive with the shift lever in D, allowing the transmission to shift through all 5 gears. Throughout this drive, monitor the OBD status using HDS for P0747 in the DTC's menu. If the HDS indicates passed, the troubleshooting process is complete, and the vehicle should be functioning normally. Conversely, if the reading is failed, it suggests the issue persists, necessitating a revisit to Step 3 for further evaluation. If not completed appears, ensure that proper conditions for testing are met and try again. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding issues like DTC P0747 in the future. Regularly checking your transmission fluid for contamination can prevent many problems. Clean ATF facilitates better shifting and solenoid operation. Additionally, inspecting for leaks can help identify any fluid loss early, which can compromise solenoid performance and lead to system failures. Keeping the solenoids clean is important, as grime can impede their functionality. Scheduling routine maintenance checks at specified intervals can help catch potential issues before they escalate. By adhering to these maintenance practices, you'll not only extend the life of your transmission, but also ensure a smoother driving experience. In summary, the P0747 code highlights a significant issue with the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, indicating it is stuck in the on position. A systematic troubleshooting approach is crucial in identifying the root cause, whether it be fluid contamination, mechanical wear, or an electrical issue. Performing the outlined steps can lead to effective diagnosis and repair of the problem. Moreover, regular maintenance, including monitoring ATF condition and ensuring proper fluid levels, can help mitigate future risks associated with similar DTCs. Remember that a healthy transmission is key to optimal vehicle performance, underscoring the importance of both immediate troubleshooting and long-term preventive measures. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.